You're watching Reality Check. Amid a raging coronavirus pandemic, India is facing a pandemic of hate speech by high-ranking politicians, mainly of the BJP. Just consider these instances in the past 72 hours. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, during a TV summit, sparked outrage when he said that the UP elections are about 80 versus 20. The 20 seen as a disparaging reference to UP's Muslim population.
ये चुनाव 80 बनाम 20 का होगा। 80% समर्थन एक तरफ होगा, 20% दूसरी तरफ होगा और मुझे लगता 80% सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे। 20% हमेशा विरोध किए हैं, विरोध करेंगे, लेकिन सत्ता बीजेपी की आएगी। बीजेपी फिर सबका साथ, सबके विकास के अभियान को आगे बढ़ाने का कार्य करेगी।
Then there was the Chief Minister of Assam speaking at a public event in Telangana, saying that just as the BJP government scrapped Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, they would wipe out the name of Asaduddin Owaisi, who's the MP from Hyderabad, capital of the Telangana region.
जैसे आर्टिकल 370 खत्म हो गया, जैसे राम मंदिर बनना काम शुरू हो गया, यहाँ में भी निजाम का नाम और निशान मिट जाएगा, ओवैसी का नाम और निशान मिट जाएगा.
Then consider these openly communal ads that have been going viral. This one taken out by the UP government before the Model Code of Conduct kicked in, showing unchecked criminality by stereotypically Muslim-looking characters during the SP regime and pointing to how now those same people are behind bars under the BJP government. And this one from the Uttarakhand unit of the BJP, which went viral again on social media, where it showed the Congress leader Harish Rawat wearing a skull cap hugging Muslims, contrasted with an image of the Prime Minister in prayer, saying that the BJP, or under the BJP, Sanatan Sanskriti or the culture is being observed while the Congress does Muslim pandering. Now, every time this is brought up, the BJP and its supporters react with whataboutery, pointing to hateful comments made during previous regimes and by leaders of other parties, like Owaisi, for instance. And there's little doubt that the hate speech is not the monopoly of any one party or of one regime. Owaisi's recent comments during a speech in Uttar Pradesh, effectively warning the UP police, saying who will protect you once Yogi, Modi are no longer in power, is condemnable. But here's the thing. We've been keeping count of VIP hate speech, as we call it, since UPA2, since 2009 to now, to look at who is the real big offender. And by VIP hate speech, we mean bigoted, insightful comments, communal dog whistles, made only by high-ranking figures, ministers, chief ministers, MLAs, MPs, governors and party bosses. And the numbers tell you the story very clearly. Under the Modi government, VIP hate has surged over 1,000%, 1,130% since 2014. The BJP is the worst offender. It makes up over 80% of all VIP hate speech. There have been close to 300 instances of hate speech by top BJP netas. Close to 4 instances of VIP hate speech every month under the Modi government versus just 0.3 under UPA2. And that's why it surged 1,130%. Just in the past 4 months, it's jumped even further. It's a 160% jump compared to the average of the Modi years. Just 34 instances of VIP hate just from October to January. Now, this is a hate pandemic. Instances of hate speech, this is how we arrived at the numbers. So under the UPA2, 2009 to 14, there were 19 instances of VIP hate. Modi government has seen 350 instances nearly of hate speech. The average monthly instance of hate under UPA2 was 0.3 instances of hate speech. Under the Modi government, it was nearly 4, hence the 1,000% jump. And as I said, the BJP is topping the hate pandemic. We put the chart up of all the instances. BJP, as I said, nearly 300. Congress, way below, 10. TMC, 6. MNS of Raj Thackeray, 5. BSP, 4. 4 hate speeches by RSS leaders, SP, AMIM, etc., coming all the way down. There's also a cluster of governors right at the bottom have made hate speeches. Many of them are actually affiliated to the BJP, but we've counted them as a separate category. Now, the instances are too many to list individually. We're talking 300. But just to give you a sense, here's a wall of the hate-spewing netas. Just some of them, not all of them, of the BJP. And so these are all the BJP haters on one side. Look at how many there are compared to some of the others you see in the other parties. And again, you look at that. These are MPs, MLAs, ministers, chief ministers, governors.